Hi everyone, watch me install my hair from Nocha store. Now this is what was included in the box. The box comes with wig caps, wig strap, wig net, as well as edge brush. And this is the Jerry Coily lace front wig Brazilian virgin human hair. And this wig is in 4x4 lace closure, and this is the 20 inches wig. As you can see, it's very true to its length and it's super easy to install. If you want more texture and you want to make it more coily, you could just use a spray bottle of water. You don't need to do too much with this wig, which is why I absolutely love it. And don't forget to shop now because there's currently a 25% discount off this wig.